Hello, welcome to Camp Cook Explorer. Today I'm at Ury Riverside Park where I'm going to be doing some bird photography, hopefully. It's a little sort of mini nature reserve in my hometown in Inverurie, Aberdeenshire. And there's quite a few birds live here, so we'll go and see what we can find. Now, so far, I'm not having a huge amount of luck with the birds. A few oyster catchers, some skylarks, some mallards, and I think I saw a goosander. I might have got a photo of that. Oh, and a grey heron. I saw a grey heron as well. It's quite busy, and it is the middle of the day, so I've probably come at the wrong time. But it would be nice to get a nice photo of a skylark, and possibly a yellowhammer, because I know they live here. But we'll keep going. We'll see what we find. It's a nice day anyway. You don't always get the birds you want. Sometimes you get no birds at all. It's still fun though, isn't it?